Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Mailchimp audience login issues, permission errors step by step clearly. If you're experiencing login issues with your Mailchimp audience, let's troubleshoot the problem together. First, check your login credentials. Ensure you're using the correct email address associated with your Mailchimp account. Next, verify that you're entering the right password. If you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password link on the login page. Follow the prompts to reset your password via email. Make sure to check your spam or junk folder if you don't see the password reset email. If your login is successful but you encounter permission errors, head to the account settings. Look for the Users section to confirm your access level. If you don't have the necessary permissions, contact the account owner for assistance. If you are the account owner, ensure that you have not accidentally removed or altered your own access. Consider clearing your browser cache and cookies, as this can resolve many login-related issues. Alternatively, try accessing Mailchimp using a different browser or an incognito window. If the issue persists, ensure that there are no network restrictions or firewall settings affecting your connection. You might also want to check Mailchimp's status page to see if there's any ongoing maintenance or outages. If everything seems normal but you're still having trouble, reaching out to Mailchimp's support team is a good next step. Prepare your account details and a description of the issue you're facing when you contact them. Following these steps should help you resolve any Mailchimp audience login issues you're facing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.